Hello everyone, let's see how to crochet this star shaped frame. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. That's the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 75 chain crochet stitches. 75. Try to make stitches bit loose, don't make them tight. So here we are done with our 75 chain crochet stitches chain. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now when we join first and last stitch with the slip stitch, after that we make 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now our pattern starts. Now for stitch number 1 and 2 we will make incomplete double crochet stitches. It's like we will yarn over and pull through from 2 loops, and we will not complete it. We will keep last loop on a crochet hook. So again we will make a one more, like in first stitch we make a incomplete double crochet stitch, second stitch again we will make a incomplete double crochet stitch. See, we will yarn over and pull through only from 2 loops. Last loop again we will keep on a crochet hook. Then we will yarn over and pull through from all the loops and make a chain crochet stitch, okay, to lock those stitches. Then stitch number 3, stitch number 4, stitch number 5 and stitch number 6, we are going to make one double crochet stitch in each of these 4 stitches. Sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. So here we are done with our 4 double crochet stitches. Now we go to stitch number 7. So stitch number 7, see here we are done with our 4 double crochet stitches. Now for stitch number 7, in that 7 stitch itself we will make 2 double crochet stitches. This is 1, this is 2 double crochet stitches, followed by 1 chain crochet stitch, followed by 1 triple crochet stitch. You can find tutorial on my YouTube channel for single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet. So those tutorials are like quite slow and quite easy to understand. See, once we are done with triple crochet stitch, it is followed by 1 chain crochet stitch, and again we make 2 double crochet stitch. So like in stitch number 7, in that one stitch, stitch number 7, in that one stitch itself we make 2 double crochet stitches followed by a chain crochet stitch, then a triple crochet stitch followed by a chain crochet stitch followed by 2 double crochet stitches. This all is going in only stitch number 7. Once we are done with that, then stitch number 8, 9, 10, 11, again we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each of the stitches. Stitch number 8, 9, 10 and 11, we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch in each of the stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this much and I'll show you. Now when we are done with our 4 double crochet stitches, in stitch number 12 and 13 we will again make one incomplete double crochet stitch in stitch number 12, one incomplete double crochet stitch in stitch number 13. Okay, like we are going to leave last loops on the stitches on the crochet hook. Then we will yarn over and pull through from all the loops, make a chain crochet stitch, and we will skip two further stitches, and we will start with the whole pattern again. So like this in this is the pattern for one, like 5 corners are there, or we can say 5 spikes are of the those star shape. So for one spike or one corner, it is this pattern is for one corner, so it's like you have to repeat in total 5 times, so you get complete star shaped frame. Okay, I'll complete this whole thing and I'll show you. I've shown one more, I've repeated it once more, so like you can go through it once more. Okay, I'll complete this and I'll show you. So when we are done with the whole pattern, we join first and the last double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. Okay, and for last round we will make one slip stitch in each stitch, except only in every triple crochet stitch we have made only 5 triple crochet stitches. Okay, so in every triple crochet stitch we will make 2 chain crochet extra, and from next stitch again we will start making one slip stitch in each each stitch. I'm sorry, what am I saying? I'm sorry. Okay. This is how our crochet star frame looks like. I hope so you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. Plus many videos are already there on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. And those who have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And coming up with lots and lots of new videos, many applique videos you will get on my YouTube channel. New curtain holder ideas you will get on my YouTube channel. Already videos are there. Please go through. If you even if you are starting, you will get crochet tutorial for absolute beginners. Even if you don't know how to hold your crochet hook, you can get or you can share these videos with the one who are at a absolute beginner level. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.